Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install VLLO app on iPhone step by step. If you want an easy to use video editor with no complicated tools, make sure to watch this till the end. First, unlock your phone and open the App Store. Once you are on the App Store home screen, tap on the search icon at the bottom. In the search bar at the top, type VLLO and tap search on your keyboard. From the results, look for VLLO Easy Video Editor. You will recognize it by its clear logo and name. Now tap on the Get button next to the VLLO app. If prompt, confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID passport. The app will now start downloading automatically. The download process depends on the internet stability. Once the download is completed, the Get button will change to Open. You can tap Open directly from your App Store or go back to your home screen and tap on the VLLO app icon to launch it. When you open VLLO for the first time, it may ask a few permissions like access to your photo or videos as well as others. Simply tap Allow so you can start editing your videos smoothly. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed the VLLO app on your iPhone. You are now ready to start creating and editing amazing videos using VLLO. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.